Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by opening the PDF in an editor that supports links. Copy the exact URL and select the text or area you want linked. This prevents mistakes later. Once the document is loaded, switch to Edit or Tools and enable the Link tool. Pick whether to create a visible box or an invisible hotspot. This first step sets the anchor for the link, so make sure the selection covers the entire clickable phrase or graphic before you move on to action settings. Now you create the actual link. Draw a rectangle or highlight the text area you chose. After drawing, assign the action, select Open a web page for external URLs, and paste the URL exactly, including https:// when required. If the editor allows, choose to open in a new window so readers don't lose the PDF. Otherwise, leave defaults. Once configured, tweak appearance, border color, thickness, or make it invisible so the link fits the layout. This ensures both functionality and clean presentation. Finish by saving a new copy so you keep an editable master. Use Save As and add a version number. Then test the link in several PDF viewers, Acrobat Reader, a browser, and a mobile app to confirm consistent behavior. If everything works, you're done. If a link fails, make sure the URL is complete, check the PDF security and annotation settings, and verify the file wasn't flattened or exported in a way that removed interactive elements. One tip: enable annotations and links in viewer preferences if needed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.